Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from Parker Clay. It's not like I need another bag, but they had a 50% off sale, so I cannot resist a good sale, right? At this point, who needs another bag, right? I mean, my shelf is really getting full, and the other day I just rearranged my shelf so that I can squish more in. Let's open this up. This is how it looks. Their thank you card. And then a note from the company with beautiful pictures. It says, "We hope you enjoy your new products. Receive $25 off your next full price of $150. It's a code. But I do have points that collected with the company. I probably can get more than $25 off with my collected points. Now let's look at the bag. It does come with a nice dust bag. It's not a very thick dust bag. It feels like linen material. It's very breathable. So in a hot summer day like today, this will be a good dust bag so that your leather bag not trapped in for example, a plastic bag. Don't ever put your bag in a plastic bag. It will get mold. So this is their Austin Messenger. I would prefer to get other color, but this is the one that was on sale. So with the good price point, I decided to just get it and try it out to see if I like it. Then I can get more in the future. It's a really nice size. The side is a little bit narrow, but otherwise it's a sleek looking messenger bag. The back of it, you have this slip pocket. It's good for putting whatever you need, like your phone. It's a good size because it does go all the way. You may be able to stretch it a little bit to put like your small iPads. On the front, you have this unique lock system. It's the first time I try this. I'm not too sure how do I do this. Do I just pull it out? Oh, so with this knob, maybe I do it in sideways. You just pull this top button and it will release. So open it up. Very straightforward. Has a slip pocket up front, and then inside of it, I believe it's just a big open space. Inside of it is just a big open space. You would need bag organizer or pouches to organize your stuff. And this is the strap it comes with. It's nice that they included this shoulder pad so that if you carry heavy stuff, it reduces the load on your shoulder. But with the size of this bag, I don't think you need to worry too much. It's not a very big bag that will get heavy, right? Unfortunately, with this bag, it's not removable. The strap is not removable. You will be stuck with whatever strap that it comes in. It's good it's adjustable though. This strap is pretty long. I will have to shorten it and maybe punch a few holes since I like to carry my bag on the shorter side. So let's see if it's hard to button this up. Oh, it's quite easy. Let's try again. Pull the button to release it, and then, but I cannot find. Oh, I found it. It's very secure. First time seeing this kind of a push and pull lock system. Open it up. I love it. And it keeps the design very minimalist. In case I forgot to mention, Parker Clay made their bag with full grain leather from Ethiopia. It's a company that have this mission to help women in Ethiopia. So if you like their style, you can check that. If you like the style of this bag, you can check out their website. They have other tote bag, handbag, crossbody bag, and backpack. The quality is quite amazing and the leather is very durable. I can see the natural grain on this cowhide that they use. Very durable and robust. Thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.